Pleased to have you back here on the Grap Coin YouTube channel for yet another 80 update video. The 80 is still stuck at or below the level of resistance. Every once in a while we see a coin that was initially unable to break through. Indicates that possible lows may be forming on the 80 chart. In my opinion, it's a bit premature, not competent enough to not confirm that just yet. I'll define precisely what we need to keep an eye on before we get into why. Thus, before delving further, it could be prudent to examine the bigger picture to confirm, if not declare, that a bottom has formed in this wave 2 correction. Upstairs in the larger structure. Let me explain the problem to you. You may still see this 5-wave rise from the low in June 2023. The first wave is 5 waves higher. For everything else, meaning for any reading where wave 1 is still. Even while it's technically unfolding, the price decline makes it unlikely that this will happen. From what I can tell, there are 5 waves up there. It was clearly a down, even though I had hoped for one more up. Therefore, I'll have to take this as a sign that the first wave has passed. This is the second wave's reversal. Previous disclosure of the support range occurred in. Throughout the past several days, the price range is between 48.9 and 29 cents. On the 1-hour chart, we can see that this is wave 2 of the ABC structure. An ABC structure is evident in the second wave, and the C wave is in the process of development. Furthermore, the C wave might potentially hit a further low given it is a 5-wave move. Right here is where we are. Investigating the microstructure to identify areas of decreased reliability is now underway. Since we are now working on such a micro scale, any predictive power is lost. A better question would be, sure, how high is the micro resistance? In addition, we are only given this time frame by the wave count. Critical levels of invalidation, support, and resistance. So a 5-wave down suggests that there might be another bottom in the works. On the other hand, the yellow support region regarding exploring potential submissions. Since the price recovery thus far has been purely corrective and we are still below resistance, the 50-cent level serves as a key Fibonacci resistance or first line of resistance, and the price has fallen to a level where wave 2 can be considered. Presently, I am not in a position to verify a low. If the price falls below this channel, it may indicate that a new falling wave, number 5, has started. With a support of approximately 36 cents or even 29, this corresponds to wave 5 of C of 2. Nothing is reliably bullish below 29 cents. The relevant support, therefore, is 29 cents. We can look at the other bearish scenario over a longer term if it breaks below that. However, before moving forward, let's have a look at this micro nanostructure. This rally has only consisted of 3 waves thus far. In wave 4, there's an ABC structure, but I'm going with EB. I haven't given it a name anyway. A persistent break above 50 cents would be the first sign that a bottom has been reached, although this is still very early in the process. Breaking above 51.6 cents will provide better confirmation. Afterwards, we can take a look at the 62.3 cent resistance level. In order to create a 5-wave structure, a low in wave C of 2 must break over 51.6 cents. There are currently only 3. Additionally, ideally, we should also observe a breakout outside this temporary short-term trend channel. That would be the most definitive sign of a low. We must be prepared for another low or a prolonged correction till then. I can see that happening as well. These 5 waves are thus crucial. With a 3-wave rally, there is still potential for kept prices low, but the next levels of resistance to watch are 51.6 cents and 62.3. Nothing has changed on the long-term chart. On occasion, I will show it. At this very moment, I think it's critical to stress that we are at a crossroads. A 5-wave ascending movement is present in this white count. Perhaps this is the second wave's reversal. There is still critical support at the 29 cent level. Another trend line could be worth watching if the price completely breaks down into support. Then we should be able to soar to new heights thanks to a 3rd wave rally. Then, in an ideal world, I hate to be the one to break it to you, but it might bring us to $2.10, 3 even higher. Most currencies have already begun to break out, therefore I don't want to make any announcements at the moment. Despite its dependability, ADA continues to face little opposition. So to be clear, nothing has been confirmed, and this is still only a possibility. As a warning, the yellow count indicates that a break below 29 cents would indicate that the current rise was merely a B wave. Also, by lowering the C wave, we can get to 13.2 or 5 cents. This becomes significant only in the event of an extended stop below 29 cents. I have no intention of looking for that, and I certainly don't anticipate it. Moreover, even when investors are hopeful, nonetheless, there are coins that have already surpassed their 2023 low, like QT, for example. Therefore, it's not doable. ADI's performance has been subpar. From its June low, it has more than quadrupled. It hasn't been, well, it has still kind of tripped. Thus, there is hope. I understand. Even though its value hasn't skyrocketed like other currencies, it's still better than some of them. In the end, the rally is only a diagonal, and I thought you should know that. That definitely allows for a decline. The problem with diagonals is that they aren't reliable until we see evidence of a wave 2 pullback keeping support. However, that is the crux of my ADA feelings. Hopefully I appreciate the update. Like, comment, and subscribe if that's the case. Your attention to the Grap Coin channel on YouTube is much appreciated. So long.